Live.
Namaste. Myself Dr. Kshitija Jujam from Kshitiz Center of Yoga and Ayurveda, Pune. Today we are doing yoga session with simple back bends. So those who are healthy, normal, and those who are having mild back pain also can join us. So we are starting with prayer. You can sit in comfortable pose. Just keep your backbone erect. Roll your shoulders back. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. First, take deep breath and exhale. Take deep breath, exhale completely. Again, take a deep breath. Inhale maximum oxygen, maximum energy. Exhale, relax your body, relax your mind. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु.
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
ॐ
नका ना.
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Slowly open your eyes. Now we are starting with simple stretches of neck and shoulder. So keep your back erect. Now simple neck stretch. Inhaling, just lift your head up, look up. Exhaling, relax your neck, slowly take the head in center and slowly look down. Just relax your neck, don't compress it, don't press it. Inhale, center, slowly look up. Exhale, center, slowly look down. Inhale, center. Just turn your head to left side. Take a deep breath. Exhale and turn your head on left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Now, side bending of your head. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take your left ear towards left shoulder. Take your head to left side. Center. Right side. Center. Left side. Center. Right side. Center. Now simple shoulder movement. Inhale and lift your shoulders up maximum. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now 3 times rotation of your shoulders. First inhaling, lift the shoulders up. Roll it to back side, down, front, up. Inhaling upwards, exhaling downwards. Inhaling from front side upward, exhaling from back side downward. Then relax. Now inhaling from back side upward, exhaling from front side down. Inhaling from back side up, exhaling front side down. Inhaling back side up, exhaling front side down. Relax your shoulders. Now we are starting with fast breathing with hand movements, both the hands near the shoulder. Inhale up, straighten your arms, exhale down. Maximum inhalation up, maximum exhalation down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do according to your convenience, your capacity. You can increase the speed slowly. Just focus, there is maximum inhalation and maximum exhalation. When the head is heavy, when you feel fatigue in your shoulders, arms, then relax completely. Don't overstretch, or after 21 strokes, you can relax. Don't open your eyes. Focus on your breath. Observe the changes. Initially, for few seconds, you are feeling some fatigue. Slowly, there is complete relaxation, complete lightness in the body and mind. We have activated our chest muscles, shoulder muscles. We have given good exercise to lungs. Now we are doing cleansing technique of the lungs, which is Kapalbhati. Keep your backbone erect. Now start with exhalation with abdominal jerk. First take a deep breath and then start exhaling with abdominal jerk. Then inhalation is passive, exhalation is active. Again, speed is according to your capacity. Those who are having high blood pressure, do not increase the speed. Those who are in menses can avoid this technique. When again the head is heavy, when you feel fatigue in your abdominal muscles, you can stop. Maximum 1 minute, then you can stop, relax. feel the complete silence, the inner peace, total relaxation of your body, breath, mind. Slowly open your eyes. Now we are doing tiger breathing, that is breathing in Marjarasana. So come in Marjarasana. Now in this you are keeping your back parallel, both the knees, both the hands parallel. The backbone is parallel to the ground. Now slowly inhaling, lift your head up and there is concave shape in your back. Somebody is sitting on your back. The way the abdomen will come in front downwards, buttocks you are trying to lift up, you are lifting your shoulders up, chest up, head up maximum. Exhale, turn your head down, lift your mid back up, try to suck your abdomen in. Inhale and up, exhale and down, inhale and up, exhale and down, inhale and up. There is concave shape in backbone. Exhale and down, inhale and up, relax. Now try to sit in Vajrasana if possible. If it is not possible, you can sit in cross legs. Now we are doing rabbit breathing. So in rabbit breathing, you have to bend forward. Keep your hands in front. Now your tip of the tongue is touching your backside of the teeth. Your mouth is slightly open and through mouth we are going to do fast breathing like rabbit. In this you can observe maximum expansion and relaxation, maximum movement of the rib cage because the abdomen is pressed. So whatever movement we are doing, it is with chest movement. And that's why it is a good exercise for the rib cage and chest muscles, back muscles. Now slowly come up. Now keep your hands. Little you can spread your knees. You can keep your hands in front of the knees. Now the abdomen is free. And now we are doing dog breathing. So now like a dog, we have to take our tongue out and then we have to breathe fast like a dog through mouth. Take your tongue out. After all fast breathing exercises, you have to give time to relax your body and mind. Slowly come in sitting pose. It is very important after all fast breathing, there should be practice of deep breathing or slow breathing. Keep your back erect. Keep your hands on Dhyan Mudra, wrists on the knees, elbows relaxed, shoulders little bit rolled back. Focus on your breath. Now we are going to do very simple breathing. We will inhale in 4 seconds, that is 4 claps. We will exhale in 8 seconds, that is 8 claps. And slowly, according to your capacity, you can increase this time, that is 5, 10, 6, 12. Observe that your exhalation is double than your inhalation time. Now exhale completely. Start inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Exhale. Slow, smooth. Avoid jerks. Prolong exhalation. Continue. You can do it according to your capacity. Don't apply any force. It has to be very soothing, smooth, relaxing. With practice, it should happen naturally. Don't overstretch yourself. It should happen smoothly, without efforts. So go with your natural capacity. Observe maximum inhalation, maximum oxygen coming inside the lungs. Observe complete exhalation, complete carbon dioxide going out of the lungs. You are providing rest to your lungs, then heart and total metabolism of the body. Last round. Complete your exhalation and then relax, normal breathing. Don't open your eyes. Keep on observing yourself. Focus on your breathing. Observe the changes. If you have done really without any efforts, very smooth, then you can feel total relaxation of your body, breath and mind. Physically, mentally, you are feeling very light, peaceful, relaxed. Slowly, eyes. Now open your legs. You can release your leg muscles by rotating your ankles, moving your toes front back. You can tap your knees. Now Baddha Kon, join your soles. We are activating our backbone. Keep your back straight. Inhale, lift the left hand up. Roll it backward and place it at the center of the buttock. Cup shape. Lift the chest. Take a deep breath. Exhaling, take your right hand on the left knee. Right hand on left knee. Exhale and twist. Inhale and center. Both the hands near the buttocks. Now inhale, right hand, left hand up. Exhaling, take your left hand on right knee. Exhale and twist. Inhale, center. Both the hands near the buttocks. Lift the chest up. Look up. Now stretch your both the hands up. Take a deep breath. Exhale and bend forward. According to your capacity, as much as you can. If it is not possible, don't force yourself too much. Just relax slowly with exhalation. Exhale and try to stretch your body in front. Inhale and straight. Now Marjarasana. From Marjarasana, we are going in Bhujangasana. So now keep your hands little in front and push your buttocks forward. Go up, lift the chest up, look up. Take a deep breath, slowly. Now we are going in Marjarasana, cat pose again. Lift the buttocks. Now slowly try to sit down on your legs if it is possible. Those who have knee pain, they can just lift the buttocks, keep the buttocks up and take your head down, no problem. Keep your hands stretched forward. Open your fingers. Inhaling. Lift the head. Again come in Marjarasana. Slowly push your buttocks in front and go in Bhujangasana. You can adjust your hands according to the, you can take the distance and adjust. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Go in Marjarasana. Slowly try to sit down on your legs. Vajrasana Yoga Mudra. Stretch your hands maximum forward. Again inhale and come forward, Bhujangasana. Take a deep breath. Exhale, go back. Inhale, come in Bhujangasana. Now we are going in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now lift your buttocks up, knees up. Take your knees up and try to touch your heels back. Push your shoulders, chest backward. Take your back maximum inside. Now slowly try to come in head up dog pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. It is the same pose like Bhujangasana, but try to lift your knees up if it is possible. Those who can't, just you can go in Bhujangasana, keep your knees down on the ground, no problem. Take a deep breath, exhale and go in Adho Mukha Svanasana, head down dog pose. Inhale, take your buttocks down, head up dog pose. And now we are going to release the pose. Touch your knees, take a deep breath, exhale, slowly come down, prone pose. किती वाजता मगाशी झालं होतं तेव्हा बघा. Now slowly again we are doing now Dhanurasana. Join your legs, touch your head down, fold both the legs in your knees. With both hands hold your ankles. If it is not possible, those who cannot hold the ankles, they can keep their both hands just on your buttocks. Inhaling, slowly take your head up, chest up. Try to lift your legs up maximum. Try to lift your thighs up. Balance on your belly button. Balance on your abdomen. What happened? Try to hold it. Breathe normal. Take a deep breath. Slowly relax. You can relax your hands, relax your legs. Now, Dhanurasana we will do from one side. Again, take your head in center. Stretch your both the hands back. Join your legs. Now fold your left leg. With left hand, hold the left ankle. Try to catch it. Right hand stretch in front. Now inhaling, lift your right hand, head, shoulder from back side. Lift your right leg. Lift your right leg if it is possible. Try to keep your both the shoulders, both the legs in one line. That much right hand you have to lift up if it is possible. Take a deep breath, slowly take your hand down, leg down, release the leg, relax. Opposite. Now take your left hand in front, fold your right leg, fold your right leg. With right hand, try to hold the right ankle. Elongate your body maximum, stretch your body maximum. Now inhaling, lift your left hand, head, shoulder, chest, from back side leg up. Total body weight on your belly button, abdomen. Try to lift your thighs also up. Don't overstretch. Be normal, be at ease. Take a deep breath, slowly release. You can relax your shoulders, head, neck. Take deep breath. Now opposite side, you can stretch both the hands in front. Take your head in center. Join your legs. Now fold the left leg. Take your right hand back. With right hand, hold the left ankle. If it is not possible, try to reach up to the big toe. Stretch your left hand maximum. Inhaling. Lift the left hand up. Right leg up. From back side, right leg up if it is possible. Balance on your abdomen. It is a Dhanurasana, it is a bow pose. So you have to stretch your body upward like a bow. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Take your head down. Release your hand. Relax your hands. Again, stretch your hands in front. Now take your left hand back. Fold your right leg. With your left hand, hold the right ankle. Stretch your right hand in front. Inhale and lift the right hand. Left leg. Both the thighs up. Lift the chest high up. Try to look towards the ceiling. Be at ease and try to hold the pose. Don't overstretch. Try to breathe normal. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly, smoothly. Relax. Turn your head on one side and relax. Slowly turn on your back. Be at the center of the mat. You are going to relax the backbone. Bend your knees. Hold your knees with your hands like Pavan Muktasana. Now very simple rolling, left side, right side. Both, all of you go left side, then right side. Relax your backbone, observe. You can keep your hands at ease, no problem. Now, touch your feet down on the ground. Come in the center. Touch your feet down. Both the hands below the head. Now just move your knees to left side, right side. Relax your back again. Join your knees. Join your knees. Join your knees. And left side and right side. Relax. Now we are going to perform Ardha Chakrasana. Take your hands down. With your hands, try to hold your ankles. If it is possible, if it is not possible, just try to take your heels maximum closer to the thighs and just place your hands beside it. Now we are going to lift the buttocks up. Inhaling, lift the buttocks up, high up maximum. Take a deep breath, exhale down. We are going to repeat it again. Those who can keep the thighs parallel, try to keep your thighs, knees parallel. Can you bring it closer? Again, inhale and lift your buttocks up. Try to raise your heels up. Take a deep breath. Exhale, take your heels down. Relax. Shavasana. Relax your hands, legs. Straighten the legs. Now, whatever stretches we have given, whatever strains we have taken, we have to relax the body fully. So, we will try to relax completely. Relax your feet outside, the toe side, heels inside. Try that your small toe will touch the ground. That much stretch your feet sideways and then relax. And then relax it. Don't keep it pressed down. Your both the hands beside the buttocks, 1 foot apart, 1 foot away from the body. If you don't have that much distance, you can fold your elbows and keep your palms on your abdomen. Keep your head straight. Don't tilt your back to one side. Again, with your abdomen, take a deep breath. Bulge your abdomen, take a deep breath. Take your abdomen up, maximum inhalation. Exhale, complete. Inhale, lift your abdomen up, maximum inhalation. Exhale, relax your abdomen. Once more, inhale maximum. Exhale and relax. Normal breathing. Observe your whole body is relaxing now. All strains, all stretches, it has gone. All muscles are relaxing, all the joints are relaxing. If you feel anywhere in the body there is any strain, any stretch, any pressure, release it. Observe your both the legs relaxed completely. Your feet, your ankles, your knees, your calf muscles, thigh muscles relaxed completely. Your buttock muscles relaxed. Observe your backbone completely relaxed. All back muscles are relaxed. Observe your hands. All the fingers relaxed. Both the wrists are relaxed. Elbows relaxed. Shoulders relaxed. All arm muscles are relaxed. There is no tension in your neck. Your chest muscles are relaxed completely. Sometimes there is absolutely no movement you can observe in your chest. The rib cage is relaxed completely. Very gentle, smooth, slight movement you can feel in your abdomen. There is increase in abdominal pressure very slightly when you are inhaling, when the air is going inside, and abdominal pressure is releasing when we are exhaling, when the air goes out. Very gentle, simple, smooth movement you can observe in your abdomen. Otherwise, abdominal muscles are totally relaxed. Focus on your face. Your jaws are relaxed. Upper jaw, lower jaw. The teeth are touching each other, but there is no pressure. Inside the teeth, inside the mouth, tongue is relaxed. Outside, cheek muscles are relaxed. Both nostrils are relaxed. Observe your eyes. The eyelids are closed completely. No movement in your eyelids. Total relaxation of your eyelids, eyebrows. Observe your forehead muscles relaxed completely. No tension, no stress, no hurry. Observe your eyeballs relaxed completely. There is no movement in your eyeballs. They are relaxed. If your eye muscles and eyeballs are relaxed completely, you can feel weight of your eyeballs in the eye socket. When you are relaxing your facial muscles, automatically it is helping to relax the mind. Give a good smile to yourself. The best day, the best moment, very relaxed, very happy moment. At present, at this moment, I am very happy. Feel the health at present. There is no pain, no ache, no any illness in the body. At present, at this moment, I am very healthy, very happy, very relaxed. Feel the mind full with compassion, love, kindness. Total peace and happiness. We will maintain this peace and happiness, this state of balanced mind, and slowly we are releasing our shavasana. Slowly, simple movement in your hands, in your fingers, in your toes. Just move your head towards left side, right side, gently, smoothly. Slowly fold your arms, bend your knees, turn to right side. If there is any stretch in the backbone, remove it, relax the backbone. Take support of the left palm and very slowly come in sitting pose. Sit in comfortable position, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Padmasana. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Very slowly open your eyes. You can rub your palms, keep on the eyes. Gentle pressure on the eyes, and then slowly cup shape open your eyes in your hands, and then take your hands down. Parvatasana, interlock your fingers and stretch your arms up fully. Activate your backbone, chest muscles, arm muscles. Take a deep breath, exhale, Sharanagara. Slowly bend forward, relax your head, relax your mind, surrender to the supreme consciousness, to the nature, to the God. Relax our ego. Inhale, slowly come up, come in standing pose. Join your toes, join your heels. If possible, if there is balancing issue, you can keep your feet parallel. Now stretch your arms up, interlock your fingers or join your palms, and Vrukshasana. Take a deep breath, raise your heels up, stretch up, activate your calf muscles, kneecaps tight, thighs muscles stretched, abdomen in, chest up, buttocks tight. Balance, focus on one point. Take a deep breath, take your heels down, arms down, relax. Varga Viram. Thank you. Finish.